times do I go against your will? Then you forgive me, but yet I still turn around and do the things I should not do, 'cause I belong to you, and I know you will come through. Lord, I know I take advantage of your grace here in this Christian race, but yet I still hear you calling my name. How many times will it take for me to learn that it's only in your will I'll ever earn my life's rewards, the honors due to me, life eternally, riches and glory. Lord, I know I don't belong to you, 'cause I've done wrong, but yet I still hear you calling my name.